which makes up the body skeleton and is one of the hardest structure of the animal body. It is modified calcified connective tissue. Bone represents the highest differentiation among supporting tissue. It possesses a certain degree of hardness and elasticity. Alveolar process. Alveolar process is that portion of maxilla and mandible that forms and supports the tooth socket. Here, here you can see these portion which are dark yellow. These are called alveolar bone. This portion are called alveolar bone. The jawbone is divided into alveolar process and basal bone. The alveolar process further divided into alveolar bone proper and the supporting alveolar bone. The supporting alveolar bone are further classified into cortical plates, buccal and lingual, and spongy bone. Alveolar process. Here in this diagram, you can see this portion is called alveolar process, and below the alveolar process, this portion is called basal bone. Function of alveolar bone: it provides strength and protection. It helps in anchoring of teeth within the circuit by attachment of periodontal ligament fibers. It helps as a shock absorber. Periodontal ligament. Periodontal ligament is the dense fibrous connective tissue that occupies the periodontal space between the root of the tooth and the alveolus. The other name of the periodontal ligament is gomphosis, desmodent, fericamentum, dental, periosteum, alveo, dental ligament, periodontal membrane. Histological structure. The periodontal ligament is formed of cells and extracellular substances. The cells contain synthetic cells, resorptive cells, progenitor cells, and defensive cells. The extracellular substances contains fibers, ground substances, blood vessels, nerves, and lymphatics. Gingiva. Gingiva is that part of the oral mucosa that covers the alveolar processes of the jaws and surrounds the neck of the teeth. Here you can see this portion is called gingiva. This portion is called gingiva. Microscopic anatomy of the gingiva contains marginal gingiva, gingival